Hello everyone and welcome to Vlinkush channel. In today's video, I will show you how to use the Microsoft Windows malicious software removal tool to help keep your computer clean. And now let's get started. The Microsoft Windows malicious software removal tool, often referred to as MRT, is a valuable secondary assistant for removing viruses and other malware that your primary antivirus software may be struggling with. It is not a replacement for your antivirus, but rather a tool to help tackle stubborn infections. To access this tool, press the Windows key and the R key simultaneously to open the Run prompt. Then, type MRT and press Enter. This will launch the Windows malicious software removal tool. This utility scans your computer for malicious software and offers options to remove it. In older versions of Windows, this tool required a separate installation. However, it is now pre-packaged with Windows, meaning it should already be installed on your system. If, for any reason it is not, you can download it for free from the Microsoft website. Be sure to download the 64-bit edition. Once the tool is open, you will see different scanning options. The first option is a quick scan, which is recommended for regular checks to ensure your computer remains clean. This scan targets the most commonly infected areas of your PC. If you suspect your computer is infected due to unusual behavior, a full scan is advisable. This option scans every file on your computer to thoroughly check for infections. For specific concerns, you can perform a custom scan, allowing you to select particular files or folders to scan. Simply click the Choose Folder button to make your selection. For demonstration purposes, we will perform a quick scan on a freshly installed computer, which should not contain any malicious software. The tool will then proceed to examine the files in the most common infection areas to confirm if anything malicious is present. This process helps ensure your computer is free from infections and allows for removal if any threats are detected. The duration of a full scan can vary significantly depending on the number of files and software installed on your machine. The more data you have, the longer the scan will take. However, a quick scan, especially on a new installation with minimal data, should only take a few minutes. After the scan completes, you will see a summary. If any threats were detected, they will be listed, and you can select the items you wish to remove. In most cases, this tool is highly effective at removing detected malware. Users often employ this tool when they have identified a specific problem, such as a pop-up or suspicious activity, and are looking for a reliable method to resolve it. The tool will also display a list of the specific malware it is searching for and whether it was detected on your system. You can click OK to close the results. For additional information, you can click on Protect Your PC. Remember, this tool is a supplementary utility and not a substitute for your primary antivirus program. It is designed to help find and remove difficult-to-detect malware. Hope this was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed. As always, thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.